Am I the only one that didn't know how easy it is to make tonkotsu ramen at home? Let's dive in. Start by bringing 8 cups of water to a boil in a large pot. Add your tonkotsu soup base concentrate and stir until it's completely dissolved. Now, toss in some kikiraj mushrooms, reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. While that's cooking, fill another pot, 3/4 full of water, and bring it to a boil on high heat. If you're making ramen eggs, gently lower them into the boiling water, cooking for 7 to 10 minutes, depending on your desired doneness. Once done, plunge them into an ice bath for a couple of minutes, then peel and keep warm. If you're adding protein or spinach, now's the time to cook and keep them warm as well. Next, add your ramen noodles to the boiling water and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Drain and rinse the noodles under warm water. Finally, divide the noodles between bowls. Ladle the rich tonkotsu broth over them, and add your favorite toppings like corn, green onions, and nori. Don't forget the eggs, protein, or spinach if you made them. Enjoy your homemade tonkotsu ramen.